Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to edit an existing image in Bluewillow. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and please do not skip the video. Let's get started without wasting any time. So first you can see that this interface is open on my screen. You just have to click the link in my description box to access this, and then after you land over here you have to scroll down until you see this rookie options. Select any rookie that you want, but please make sure that you select a rookie that is not very busy so your messages don't get lost in it. I'm going to select this one. Now I'm going to tell you that how you can edit an existing image. You just have to copy the link for the image that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to search any image right here. I'm going to search for a single image and then come back. First I'm going to type /imagine, and then I'm going to copy the link for this image and drop it right over here, and then I'm going to write what I want to edit. For example, I'm going to write let it rain or make it rain here, and then I'm going to click enter. Now you have to wait for a while until they process your photo. So here you can see that it have edited my image for me. This is an easy process in which you can edit your pictures on Bluewillow. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.